Today we're making pecan pie cookies. Just like a pecan pie, they're filled with pecans, brown sugar, and lots of butter. These cookies always turn out great, and they always go very quickly. It's a very easy recipe, so let's get going. Our cookie dough begins with 1 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. And we're going to cream this together. You want this mixture to be very smooth, and we add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. For our dry ingredients, we're whisking together 2 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to beat this on low until it's well combined. So I like to finish this with a heavy-duty spatula. We're shaping this into 1 1/4 inch balls, and they should weigh about 20 grams each. So if your kitchen is on the warm side, you'll probably want to refrigerate this dough about a half an hour before you shape the balls. Our pecan pie filling is super easy. We have 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, and let's go ahead and toss this together. We add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. The filling should be very thick. It's not going to be runny at all. Let's assemble our cookies. You want to make sure you chill this dough. Place them on parchment-lined baking sheets about 2 inches apart. We're going to make an indentation in the dough, and it needs to be pretty deep. So if you have a little melon baller like this, that works beautifully. You can use your thumb, just like you would a thumbprint cookie. You're going to want to go around this several times. Now each of these cookies gets a full rounded teaspoon of the filling, and I usually use 2 spoons. Now it looks like it's piled high, and it is, but these cookies spread a fair amount. Our cookies go in a 350-degree oven between 8 and 12 minutes. Normally my cookies are done right at 10 minutes. My cookies have cooked in 10 minutes, and they're very, very light golden brown on the bottom. Now you see these cookies do spread quite a bit, so it's essential that you keep this dough cold until it goes in the oven. Now our last batch of cookies just came out of the oven. Each of my 3 batches baked exactly 10 minutes. You're going to leave your cookies on the baking sheet for 1 minute and then transfer them to a wire rack to cool. If you love the flavor of pecan pie, but you just don't prefer that ooey gooey center of the pecan pie, these cookies are a great option for you. And if you have friends that are pecan pie nuts like I am, you might want to bake up a batch as Christmas gifts.